Hello again, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a little hike here near the river, and hopefully we're gonna go and again set up a little tarp shelter. And I have this new purchase. It's Ohuhu wood burning stick stove. It's a gasifying stove, so never used it before. See if I can get it going and maybe cook up some food, make a tea. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so follow along and let's get to it. Yeah, guys, so I just thought of something. If any of you guys who are not very experienced hiking or backpacking in the outdoors in the winter time, remember there's a word, an acronym, the word cold. So COLD. The C is for clean, keep your clothing clean. O is for overheating, avoid it. Never get overheated, because you will sweat, get your clothes wet, and when clothes are wet they lose their insulation value. Next letter L is for loose and layer clothing in the winter. So wear lots of layers like an onion, and loosely, nothing very tight, so it will allow some space between you and outside air, just like a wall in a house, like a double wall. So air is a natural insulator. So yeah, loose and layer like an onion. As you get hot, you peel back layers. When you get cold, you put the layers back on. The D is for keep your clothing dry, avoid getting wet, don't fall in a lake, river. Don't spill water on you when you're outdoors in the winter, because as you know, wet clothes become frozen clothes, and frozen clothes lose their insulation value, and you don't get any heat from them, and it cools your body, right? So then it could be a life-threatening situation, especially if you're far away from urban areas. So always carry extra clothes in your pack, especially socks, and make sure you keep them dry as much as possible. If you get wet, get out of your clothes right away. See if you have a way to dry them up, and put new clothes on. Okay? All right, that's the tip for the day today. Hope it helps some of you. So I got myself this little pot holder for your campfire. So I got myself a stick stove from Ohuhu. This is off Amazon, and I made a little stand for it to catch the ashes. Just a piece of stainless steel plate. So there's this little grill, goes on top. You can barbecue on it if you want. Then there's the pot holder, alcohol pan. You can put solid fuel tablets or alcohol, and you can use it for that purpose too if you don't have any wood. So basically this part goes to the bottom. Then you have this piece, the chamber. This is where you put your wood. That goes in there. Then you have the pot holder and these little arms that come out so you can put your pots on top. If your pot is too small, you can always put this on top, and then you put your pot on top of that. What I see here is that this is uneven ground downhill, so you're gonna put it straight down on the floor. That'll be a lot easier. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna find some sticks. The sticks gotta be about the size of your finger, right? About that length and that width. You cut up a bunch of sticks, put them in there, and then we light it up, see what happens. Okay, here we go. So it's all loaded up. I'm gonna light it up and see what happens. Wow! I wasn't expecting that. I think my hair just got crispy. Hey guys, another little tip. Whenever you go backpacking, hiking, or whatever, there's an invaluable tool you should always have with you, a multi-tool. This one has pliers, it's got a knife, a file, serrated knife, and small saw. So this one is a Leatherman wave tool, but there's other brands, Gerber's, whatever. Invaluable tool. It also has screwdriver bits, and this one has a scissors, small little scissors. So yeah, don't forget your multi-tools if you go backpacking, hiking, fishing, whatever, when you're outdoors. Very invaluable to have. And yeah, and it works also for grabbing hot things, like when you're cooking, like I'm doing right now. Okay, this is almost done. So it's getting dark again. Let's see how long I can. This will boil before I have to leave. But yeah, it looks like it's doing pretty good. It's steaming already. Of course, if you have one of those gas stoves, backpacking stoves, they're a lot more efficient. But it's always to have a stick stone with you. It's always good to have it because as a backup in case you run out of gas or whatever, or your stove malfunctions. So yum. It's all done beautifully. Let's see. It's good. Okay. So I'm gonna finish these noodles and pack up. It's getting dark again, and go home. All right. Okay, guys. It's as I said, it's getting dark, starting to snow. I'm just gonna end it here for today. My camera is not gonna film properly in the night, so I'm gonna get too much good footage after this. So yeah, it was a successful outing. I was trying to test out my new stove, my stick stove by Ohuhu, and it worked pretty good. It heated up water, and it takes a little more time than the gas stoves, the ultralight backpacking stoves, but it does the job, like I said earlier, and is indispensable to have it with you in case of emergencies. Anyway, hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. You know, hit the little bell down below to get notified when I upload new videos. And yep, happy camping. Take care. Bye. Oh, is this the trail? Yeah, looks like it is. Okay, bye.